Gentlemen, let me ask you something. When you walk into a room, do people immediately recognize you as a man of success, confidence, and style? Or do you fade into the background, overlooked and underestimated? The truth is, looking wealthy isn't about flashy designer logos or chasing every trend. It's about mastering timeless, well-fitted, high-quality pieces that speak for themselves. And today, I'm breaking down the 12 casual items every man over 40 needs to look wealthy, without trying too hard. Let's get started. 1. A tailored polo shirt. Let's start with one of the most versatile pieces in a man's wardrobe, the polo shirt. But not just any polo, the right polo. This is a game changer for any man over 40 who wants to look stylish and wealthy without appearing like he's trying too hard. Most men over 40 make a critical mistake here. They stick with the same oversized, boxy polos they've been wearing for years. The sagging fabric, droopy collars, and faded colors make you look sloppy and older than you are. You know the look: wrinkled cotton, outdated logos, and a fit that hides your physique rather than enhances it. The solution? Tailored polos. Look for polos that fit close to the body without being tight. The shoulders should align perfectly, the sleeves should hug your arms, and the length should hit just at the waist, never too long or too short. Fabric is equally important. Upgrade to high-quality materials like Pima cotton, merino wool, or performance blends that provide comfort while maintaining their structure. These materials offer breathability, softness, and a refined texture that instantly elevates your look. Colors matter too. Stick with neutral tones: navy, black, white, and muted earth tones like olive or burgundy. These colors are timeless, versatile, and give off a sophisticated, confident vibe. What to avoid? Oversized polos, loud patterns, and shiny synthetic fabrics. Anything with huge logos or branding makes you look like you're trying too hard. What to wear? Instead, tailored polos in premium fabrics with clean, minimalist designs. Brands like Sunspell, Lacoste Premium, and Ralph Lauren Custom Fit offer excellent options. Second, dark, slim-fit jeans. Denim is a staple in every man's wardrobe, but let's be honest, many men over 40 are wearing the wrong jeans. Baggy, faded, or distressed jeans can make you look out of touch and sloppy. To look effortlessly wealthy, you need to upgrade to dark, slim-fit jeans. Dark indigo or black jeans project a clean, polished look that can be dressed up or down. They offer a sharp silhouette that makes you look taller and leaner. Now let's be clear, slim fit does not mean skinny jeans. You want jeans that skim your legs without being tight. A slight taper toward the ankle creates a streamlined look that's modern but still comfortable. Dark jeans are also incredibly versatile. You can pair them with a blazer and loafers for a night out, or dress them down with leather sneakers and a polo for a casual day look. This adaptability makes them a smart investment. What to avoid? Light wash, heavily distressed, or baggy jeans. Also avoid jeans with flashy stitching or embellishments on the pockets. They look cheap and juvenile. What to wear instead? Dark, slim-fit jeans in clean, minimalist designs. Brands like Levi's 511, AG Jeans, and Bonobos offer excellent, age-appropriate options. 3. A high-quality leather belt. Gentlemen, your belt is more than just a tool to hold up your pants. It's a detail that speaks volumes about your attention to style. A high-quality leather belt is subtle but powerful. It ties your outfit together and signals that you care about the details. Unfortunately, many men wear old, cracked belts with oversized buckles or flashy designer logos. This instantly brings down your overall look, no matter how nice the rest of your outfit is. Upgrade to a full-grain leather belt with a clean, simple design. Full-grain leather is the highest quality leather and develops a beautiful patina over time. It's durable, stylish, and only gets better with age. Color coordination is crucial. You should always match your belt to your shoes. A brown belt pairs best with brown or tan shoes, while a black belt complements black or darker footwear. This small detail makes a big impact. What to avoid? Synthetic or bonded leather, oversized buckles, and belts with bold, flashy logos. These scream cheap and careless. What to wear instead? A sleek, minimal, full-grained leather belt with a classic metal buckle. Brands like Allen Edmonds, Tanner Goods, and Andersons make excellent belts. If you want some cheaper options, check the description below for my top picks from Amazon. 4. A pair of leather sneakers. Shoes are often the first thing people notice about a man. And trust me, wearing chunky, outdated sneakers or athletic shoes with casual outfits is a mistake. The fix? Invest in a pair of sleek leather sneakers. These are the perfect balance between comfort and class. They give off an effortlessly stylish vibe while remaining casual. Look for sneakers made from premium leather in minimalist designs. White, brown, or navy leather sneakers are incredibly versatile and can be paired with jeans, chinos, or even tailored trousers. Comfort matters too. A well-constructed sneaker will provide support and durability, making them suitable for all-day wear. What to avoid? Chunky athletic shoes, flashy designer sneakers, or cheap plastic-looking materials. What to wear? Instead, minimalist leather sneakers from brands like Common Projects, Koyo, and Axel Arigato. These brands offer timeless designs that elevate any casual outfit. 5. A lightweight cashmere sweater. Nothing says subtle luxury like a lightweight cashmere sweater. Cashmere isn't just soft. It's elegant, breathable, and incredibly versatile. A lightweight cashmere sweater can be layered over a button-down for a smart casual look, or worn alone for a relaxed yet sophisticated vibe. The texture and fit of cashmere exude quiet wealth without needing flashy designs. Stick with neutral colors like navy, gray, camel, or even forest green. These tones work well in any season and pair effortlessly with jeans, chinos, or even dress pants. What to avoid? Chunky, oversized knits or synthetic blends, pretending to be cashmere. You want something lightweight and refined. What to wear? Instead, 100% lightweight cashmere sweaters from brands like Everlane, Natum, and J. Crew. 6th, a crisp button-down shirt. The crisp button-down shirt is a non-negotiable wardrobe staple. But here's the trick, it doesn't have to be formal. Look for shirts made from breathable fabrics like Oxford cotton, linen, or chambray. These materials give a relaxed yet refined look. Fit is everything. The shirt should contour your body without being too tight. Roll up the sleeves for a more casual appearance, and leave the top button undone. Color and pattern matter. Stick to solid colors, subtle stripes, or small checks. Simplicity is key. What to avoid? Overly stiff, formal dress shirts or loud, busy patterns. What to wear? Instead, casual button-downs and soft, breathable fabrics. Brands like Brooks Brothers, Bonobos, and Uniqlo have excellent options. 7. A wool overcoat. Gentlemen, let's face it, your outerwear is the first thing people notice when you walk into a room during the colder months. If you want to look wealthy, a well-fitted wool overcoat is an absolute must. This piece doesn't just keep you warm, it elevates your entire look with minimal effort. The problem is that many men settle for puffer jackets or bulky parkas. While these might be practical, they don't exactly scream sophistication. Sporty jackets can make you look like you're heading to a football game instead of dinner at a high-end restaurant. The solution? Invest in a tailored wool overcoat. This is the kind of piece that instantly gives off an aura of refinement and class. It works equally well over a suit or layered on top of a sweater and jeans. That's the beauty of a quality overcoat. It's both versatile and stylish. Fit is crucial. The coat should drape comfortably over your shoulders without being too snug or too loose. The sleeves should stop just above your wrists, and the hem should fall just above your knees for that timeless silhouette. Color is another key factor. A camel, navy, or charcoal gray overcoat will serve you well for years to come. These shades are not only classic but versatile, making them easy to pair with most outfits. Material matters too. Look for coats made from high-quality wool or wool blends. A 100% wool coat offers excellent insulation while maintaining breathability. For an extra touch of luxury, consider a cashmere wool blend. What to avoid? Shiny synthetic materials, oversized fits, or loud patterns. Coats with excessive details like zippers, buttons, or patches can cheapen the look. What to wear? Instead, a sleek, single-breasted wool overcoat in camel, navy, or charcoal. Brands like Suit Supply, Brooks Brothers, and J. Crew offer timeless options. 8. Classic chinos. Now let's talk about versatility. When it comes to pants, many men fall into one of two traps. Either they rely too heavily on jeans, or they jump straight to formal dress trousers. The solution sits perfectly in the middle, classic chinos. Chinos are the ultimate smart casual staple. They're more relaxed than dress pants, but more refined than jeans. They give off an effortless, polished vibe that's perfect for casual Fridays, dinners, or even weekend outings. Fit is key. You should aim for a slim or tailored fit that flatters your body without being restrictive. The waistband should sit comfortably, neither sagging nor squeezing. The legs should taper slightly towards the ankle for a modern silhouette. When it comes to colors, start with the essentials: khaki, navy, olive, and gray. These shades are timeless and easy to pair with shirts, polos, sweaters, and even blazers. Once you've covered the basics, you can experiment with richer tones like burgundy or forest green. Fabric makes a difference. Choose chinos made from high-quality cotton or cotton blends with a bit of stretch for comfort. Look for pairs with subtle stitching and minimal branding for that elevated look. What to avoid? Baggy, pleated chinos or overly tight, skinny styles. Loud colors or bold patterns also detract from a polished appearance. What to wear instead? Slim-fit chinos in neutral tones. Brands like Bonobos, Dockers, and Banana Republic offer excellent options for men looking to elevate their casual wardrobe. There are also great alternatives from Amazon, so make sure to check the description below for some top recommendations. 9. A timeless watch. A watch is more than just a device to tell time. It's a reflection of who you are. A timeless watch is one of the most subtle yet powerful ways to convey success and sophistication. The mistake many men make is opting for flashy, oversized watches with multiple dials and unnecessary complications. These might be eye-catching, but they often feel more like fashion statements than markers of refined taste. Instead, choose a watch that's simple, elegant, and well-made. A minimalist design with clean lines and a refined face shows quiet confidence. Watches with a slim profile, understated dial, and either a leather strap or metal bracelet are perfect for a man over 40. A leather strap adds a classic touch, ideal for smart casual and formal outfits. A metal bracelet offers versatility and works beautifully for everyday wear. Material matters. Opt for stainless steel, titanium, or precious metals. Automatic or mechanical movements also add a level of craftsmanship that speaks volumes about your attention to detail. What to avoid? Overly large, chunky watches, plastic digital watches, or bright, flashy colors. What to wear? Instead, a minimalist, high-quality watch with a leather or metal strap. Brands like Tissot, Hamilton, and Omega deliver timeless elegance without being too loud. 10. Quality sunglasses. Sunglasses are one of the most underrated accessories in a man's wardrobe. The right pair of quality sunglasses doesn't just protect your eyes, it elevates your entire look. Many men settle for cheap plastic sunglasses that don't fit properly or follow fleeting fashion trends. These might seem practical, but they can cheapen even the most well-put-together outfits. Instead, invest in classic, well-made sunglasses. Timeless shapes like aviators, wayfarers, or clubmasters have stood the test of time for a reason. They flatter almost every face shape and complement any outfit. Fit is crucial. Your sunglasses should sit comfortably on your nose and ears without pinching or sliding. The frames should align with your brow line for a balanced look. Materials matter. Opt for frames made from acetate or metal, and make sure the lenses are polarized to reduce glare and protect your eyes. What to avoid? Trendy, oversized sunglasses, bright neon colors, or cheap plastic frames. What to wear instead? Classic styles and durable materials. Brands like Ray-Ban, Persol, and Moscot offer timeless, high-quality sunglasses that elevate any look. 11. A well-fitted blazer. Few items in a man's wardrobe can match the versatility and power of a well-fitted blazer. It instantly sharpens your look, making you appear more refined and confident. The problem is, too many men either avoid blazers entirely or wear ones that are ill-fitting and outdated. A blazer should enhance your body, not hide it. The blazer should fit snugly across your shoulders with no pulling. The sleeves should end right at the wrist bone, and the hem should cover your backside without going too long. Colors matter. A navy, charcoal, or earthy tone blazer offers the most versatility. These shades can be dressed up with a button-down shirt or down with a casual tee. Material choice is also crucial. Wool or cotton blends offer year-round wearability, while tweed or linen blazers can be seasonal options. What to avoid? Oversized, boxy blazers, or ones with loud patterns and shiny fabrics. What to wear? Instead, a tailored blazer in navy or gray. Brands like Suit Supply, J. Crew, and Brooks Brothers offer excellent options for a modern, sophisticated look. 12th, suede loafers or Chelsea boots. Let's finish with the foundation of every outfit, shoes. To complete your wealthy look, you need a pair of suede loafers for warmer months and Chelsea boots for cooler seasons. Suede loafers offer a laid-back sophistication that's perfect for spring and summer. They work beautifully with chinos, tailored shorts, or lightweight suits. Chelsea boots, on the other hand, are sleek and versatile, ideal for fall and winter. Their slim profile pairs effortlessly with jeans, chinos, or even dress trousers. What to avoid? Worn-out sneakers, square-toe shoes, or overly bulky footwear. What to wear? Instead, suede loafers in brown or navy and Chelsea boots in suede or leather. Brands like Thursday Boots, Allen Edmonds, and Carmina are excellent investments. And remember, looking stylish and sophisticated doesn't mean you have to spend a fortune. If you want to upgrade your wardrobe without breaking the bank, I've handpicked some great affordable options. Just check the Amazon links in the description below. These pieces will help you build a timeless, gentlemanly style that works for any occasion. Stay sharp, stay confident, and I'll see you in the next one.